Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to perform an interesting activity, sinking or floating. You all have observed that some of the objects usually sink in the water and some of the objects float on the surface of water. Do you know the reason why? Today I am going to tell you the reason why some objects float on the surface of water and why some of the objects sink in the water. The objects that are usually heavier than water, they sink in the water, and the objects that are lighter than the water, they float. They float on the surface of water. So let's perform our activity.
Here is the material I have taken for my activity. I have taken 2 glasses, 2 lemons, small amount of salt and a bottle filled with water. Now let's start our activity. First of all, we will fill water in both the glasses. Now what we have to do, we will take these 2 lemons and we will put both the lemons in both the glasses. Now you can see here students, both the lemons are sinking in the water. Do you know why? This is because of the reason that both the lemons are heavier than the water. That's why these are sinking in the water. Now we will add some amount of salt in 1 glass. Now we will stir this continuously to dissolve the salt in the water. We will observe that lemon has started coming upward. Then we will add some more amount of salt in water. We will stir this again. Now you can see that lemon has started coming upward and lemon is floating on the surface of water. Do you know the reason behind this? The reason behind this is the salty water now has become heavier than the lemon, or we can say lemon is lighter than the water. That's why it is floating on the surface of water. You can see here clearly. So students, this was all about your activity sinking and floating. Now you all know why some objects float on the surface of water and the other objects sink in the water. Now it's your turn to perform this activity. You all have to perform the same.
So students, you all have seen that when we put lemon in plain water, that sinks. But when we put lemon in salty water, that floats. And now I think you all know the reason behind this. You know that salty water is heavier than the plain water. And if we compare that with lemon, we can say that salty water is heavier than the lemon. That's why that lemon floats on the surface of water. Now what you have to do, you have to perform the same activity at your home and you have to tell me about some more examples or about some more objects that generally floats on the surface of water or that sink in water. Thank you and have a nice day.